Come on. This game is beautiful. Let's get started. I'm gonna feel the vibrations. Come on.
Members of the resistance, report to your nearest
I actually saw it in the trailer. Oh no, come on.
facility immediately. We promise nothing nefarious will befall you. We promise. Resistance members, report to the VIP section of your nearest intake facility for compulsory
So
behavioral
sweet.
modification. It will be fun.
Who's this? Did I see this in the demo? No, I didn't.
Seems to be working nicely. Blending
Okay. Okay.
There is the assistant, and there is the info bot.
Why is everybody wet? Oh, why do the robots look sad? Look at that robot set up. Oh my god.
Whew. Masterful work. Now get out of there and decrypt that thing.
Where is the infobot?
Go, go, go. Your ship is up ahead. Where are you going?
That alien got a flat ass. Oh no, that might be a kid alien. Let me stop. Well, yeah, come in. Well, yeah, come in. Oh yeah, come in. Yeah, that's definitely a kid.
Hey, it's okay. See? Just me.
Rivet? Shh. Gotta go. Here, it'll help you get home. I designed it to be one size fits all, so it should. Thank you.
Oh, okay. Most wanted? Let's get active. Who is that? They said that definitely saw me. Okay. Ratchet! Those next fucking years, bro.
Don't you think it's weird to throw a celebration for us? I mean, we haven't done anything heroic in years.
Yeah, I haven't seen you in years.
Washed up. Oh, what if we are washed up?
Luckily, we will not need to perform any heroics. Unless you count smiling and waving.
Right.
Give a big welcome to the Grand Marshals of our parade, Ratchet and Clank! I, Captain Copernicus Leslie Quad, will be your host. With me, Skid McMarks.
Or do the previous objective. Okay, yes, I love it. I love it.
Wow, haven't seen these guys in ages.
Yes, I already know who all of these are. Trust me.
Give it up for our heroes!
Yo, the vibration feels amazing.
Folks, we have a momentous day in store for you. Starting with me. And ending with a surprise gift from Clank to Ratchet.
Oh dear. Must he tell the entire galaxy?
Wait, a gift? For what?
Oh, you will see. It is awaiting us at the front of the parade route.
Well, we better get moving then.
Oh my god! I've been waiting so long for it. Beautiful. Beautiful.
Clank ship came crashing from the night sky. Ratchet rescued the defective warbot. And the rest is intergalactic history.
Yes. That's gonna be going. Let me stop wasting time. Oh yeah. Give me all this. Run it. What's this for? Alright. Beautiful. Oh, I almost went out the edge.
And now, our heroes will clear this festive barricade.
Oh, if it to run like that, beautiful.
The Blarg invasion is
How I know. Oh, new weapon? Okay.
class sharp shooting skills.
There's ammo. Beautiful ammo.
Once he grabs some ammo, of course.
Oh, I remember these explode. And these just health. Oh, no. I take damage from that? No, I'm good. Let's go. Oh, I gotta go through here. I'm dumb. You gotta press L3 to run. You gotta love this.
Hey, I think I found the wombat!
What is this supposed to be a reenactment of?
Ratchet.
Yo, this feels amazing. Look, if you hold this, oh my god. Oh yeah, come here.
Someone put a bounty on us?
Oh damn. Woo! Let's go.
About your gift. Hurry, we must get to the front of the parade route.
I know. I jump it. I missed that? No, I got it. Okay.
Oh dear.
Activating Magna Boots!
Oh yes. Damn, I missed him.
Come on, let's keep this show going!
So much for
Oh my god, that one.
I would bet the Blargs are behind this, or the Cragmites, or Dr. Nefarious.
no way! Nefarious has been retired longer than we have.
Oh my god, this is wavy. Oh damn. Beautiful. Beautiful. Right there. Hey, come here, yeah. Feel like I'm really shooting the weapon. The adaptive triggers are the best thing ever, bro. Yeah, listen.
There, we can glide over.
Oh yeah, let's go. Use cover to avoid taking damage. Okay. 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 Come here. Let me talk to your mother. Dad. Come here.
More goons incoming.
Who is this? Ew, ugly. Oh, watch out. I gotta start hitting them. I gotta stop wasting ammo. Oh yeah, come here. Yeah, beautiful. Oh, you can level up weapons? Beautiful. Oh, you can switch guns. Okay. Weapons, sorry.
Got that drop ship and end it.
Okay, come on. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah, I got him. Beautiful.
A little rusty, but not too bad.
And now, we reach the present of our hero's story.
Oh, yeah, what is it?
The last known Lombax, is lost in another dimension will receive a mysterious gift from Clank.
What is it?
I had a speech prepared, but considering that our event seems to be under assault, I will cut to the chase. Ratchet, I do not know where I would be without you. You are my closest friend, my teammate, and you have given up a lot to... I have repaired the Dimensionator, so you can travel through dimensions and find your family.
Aww.
Yo, pal, what?
And you dead took it, bro.
Various?
Ratchet and Clank!
Just old head, yo.
Wonderful surprise! I didn't expect to see you here. Considering my goons were meant to annihilate you 8 minutes ago.
Oh, what do you want, Nefarious?
Yes!
Okay.
Can't anyone print instruction manuals anymore?
Idiot. Better go out there. Let's go. Damn. Oh, what do I do?
We have to get the Dimensionator away.
Oh. Kill us.
And quickly, whatever he
Oh
is
my
doing
god.
will not be good.
Oh man. Let's go. Oh my god. How could Clank just stay calm in the back of his just back there chilling, bro? I would be panicking. Wait, come here.
I should have known Nefarious
Why are they
would try
running?
something like this.
Don't beat yourself up. This'll be just like old times. Come on. It looks like Nefarious landed somewhere near the train station. Go, Mrs. Zircon. We should grab a weapon.
Need a weapon, Mrs. Zircon?
Oh yes. What you got for me, baby girl? How much I got? Well, I got 2,000. Okay, what should I get? I could preview it.
You know what is better than watching explosives? Throwing them with your bare freaking hands! Pull the
Okay, there you go. I'll buy it.
that one will look
How you switch weapons?
More goons! Incoming!
How you switch weapons? Perfect. Yep, got active. What's up? What's up? What's up? Oh, yep. Got it. Beautiful.
Last one!
Oh, now I'm hurt. This one right here, hold up.
Train's pulling away. Let's go!
Oh, I'm gonna miss it. Oh, okay. Not for that. I'm supposed to. Oh, wait. We get this real quick. Boom. Let's see. Oh, they're over there. They're deep. They shoot me from there? Yo, get out, get out, get out, get out, get out. What's up? Okay.
Put down the Dimensionator, Nefarious.
Put down the Dimensionator. Yeah, right. Today, you will see what losing feels like. Spoiler, it's exhausting. As soon as I figure out these stupid coordinates. Say goodbye.
Perfect.
What did you do?
Oh, now it's start getting active. Oh my god. Is that a dinosaur?
What just happened?
We may have a slight problem.
The bridge is shot. There has to be another way across.
The rifts are reacting to the phase quartz in your glove. Try pointing it at one of them.
Okay, okay, okay.
Did you see that?
Oh, nah. I can't go back? Okay, tell us.
Train has arrived.
Oh, what's up? You know what? Coming through here? Now I'm beating you. Beautiful. Hamburger. No hamburger. Okay.
I wonder how much Nefarious is paying these guys.
Not nearly.
Yeah, come here. Beautiful. Explode this. Yep, got him. Switch gun, switch gun, switch. Perfect. Now go back there. I'll go in here, I'll go in here.
Whoa! Watch your head.
This is
Oh,
what I had
no.
imagined.
Oh. Oh!
Sand sharks from above.
I feel like I've seen these little things before. Yeah. Big ass mouths, yo. What's that? Aw,
Might as well give up.
Was that
beautiful.
a kraken?
Or at least a very large octopus.
Nothing else.
Nefarious' ship. We've got to.
Oh yeah.
The taxis leaving from that stand are driving right by him.
Then we better not miss our ride.
Oh damn.
Hey, when did you rebuild the Dimensionator?
I have hobbies, and I know that finding the Lombaxes has always been important to you. I thought perhaps we could go together.
Wow, that's really thoughtful. But why don't we get it back from Nefarious first?
What am I missing? Hello? Oh, I'm bugging. Am I missing something? Oh, right here, right here, right here. Beautiful. Oh, nah, they're using it different now. Oh, I missed it. Oh, I got it. Hell through the spring. They could have said that earlier. I mean, I already knew, but still.
Mad respect for hiring us, but we're gonna need.
Oh my god, I tried to jump it. Oh, you jumped to me? Oh! I didn't know I was going that so down. Oh. What is this? Did he just turn him into a cartoon? Beautiful. Don't come through.
Our ride's here.
Beautiful.
These rifts are getting out of hand.
Nefarious is in way over his head!
What is that?
Whoa! Hey!
Mrs. Zircon has many fine options for you.
How about this too? Oh my god. Oh, okay. Double barrels. Okay. I could go through here. There's so many options now. Oh, come here.
Did Dr. Nefarious really
Beautiful.
resurface after all these years just to try and take over the universe again?
Yeah! I
Got him.
kinda wish he was doing a worse job!
I should have never done that.
4 months? Should have seen that coming.
That was beautiful. Oh, I thought it was the enemy. Beautiful. Switch to the bomb. This one. Beautiful.
Nice work, Ratchet.
Couldn't have done it without you, pal. All right, let's get to Nefarious.
Oh, this is ship right here.
You two, these goons are useless. This is what I get for giving my assistant paid paternity.
Quickly, we cannot let Nefarious overuse
Oh.
the originator. We must lower his defenses.
Ah, did that hurt? Good.
Take that, Nefarious.
Oh, you could double jump. I didn't know. Oh, more enemies? What are these?
Unpleasant.
Toes? Ew.
His defenses are weakening. Oh
Okay.
dear, he is targeting us.
Oh, I ran out of ammo. Say less. Damn, can I get closer? Nothing.
Yes, run from
He's not doing nothing. Oh, this one hurts him. That hurts him. That hurts him right there. Oh, man. Oh, there's ammo right here.
Amoeboids. Where did Nefarious find these?
today my ultimate plan.
I remember these green things.
And nothing will stop me.
How many times have we heard that?
Probably a...
Here we go.
No, it doesn't matter. Today will be the last time.
So I remember back. I'm back. Okay. Take the portal, take the portal. Let's go. Oh, beautiful. Take that. Yep. There we go.
You think a crushing defeat is all it takes to stop me?
I mean, yes.
Well, think again! We're going to a dimension where I always win, so you can finally know how it feels.
Oh. There's the pass on the trailer. Oh.
The dimensions are weakening considerably.
Oh my god. Oh, we're back in the city?
How bad is it?
Oh my god.
Well, it is certainly not good.
Great.
Where are we?
Beats me.
Oh my god. Was I controlling that right there?
To the depths! How many arms you got?
Oh my god.
Been boarded! Get off me, ship! Foul creature!
Oh my god. So everything's just going on. So much is going on right now.
Did I do it? Oh, what is this? What's with all the neon?
This is the part where you lose.
Ratchet, the Dimensionator.
Damn. That's where we got separated. I saw this in the trailer.
Ratchet,
Oh, he's missing an arm?
my arm. And no. The Dimensionator. It. What have I done?
What have you done?
Who are you?
Someone with a lot of questions. Let's go for a ride.
Wait,
She didn't even
I have to
ask.
find my friend.
Yo, bro, who is this girl? She's wilding for what?
Hi? It's me? It's me! It worked! It worked! I am the winner!
Oh my god.
Emperor Nefarious, you have returned early from your conquest.
Yes! Emperor!
Yo. Come on.
Oh. Clank? Clank? Alombax? What is this place?
Beautiful. Okay.
Maybe someone around here is seen him.
Okay. I remember
You
this.
seen a little gray robot anywhere? Green eyes, red antenna, very charming.
Okay, so I got my weapons. Oh, I got this now. Okay. The boots. Ratchet always had gadgets for days, y'all. crazy. Okay.
Please let there be good news behind here.
Welcome to the Nefarious City Bazaar. Please remember to thank our marvelous Emperor before, during, and after making your purchase.
Emperor? Does that mean there are two Nefariouses now? Clank first, Nefarious later. Maybe he's in this bazaar.
Perfect. Oh, this. Let me talk to her.
Wait a second.
You forgot your order? Well, come right in. Miss Zircon will sell you weapons, but you gotta be less conspicuous, or the resistance will not last.
The Resistance?
Why is the robot winking at me?
Gee, sugar, Miss Zircon is still new to all of this espionage.
Release the hostage.
Clank! No. I need to go after that ship. How can I get off planet?
This a test. Only royal starships are allowed to leave. Anything else? Phantom can help. Just follow the beat to Club Nefarious and you will find him.
Club Nefarious, got it. Oh, and nice work, Secret Agent Zircon.
This is so exciting.
Okay, I got
What's
that.
Club Nefarious gonna sound like?
You want to bring the party to every find? Mr. Fun Guy is the weapon for you.
The only weapon who has destroyed little Zircon's enemies and performed at his last birthday party.
Oh, okay, beautiful. They always. This game always got those type of weapons where it's like a person that helps you. Okay, though.
Great.
There's probably a disguise you could use to get through it. They just have like open world type.
That sounds like a club, all right. Gotta keep looking. The sooner I find Club Nefarious and this Phantom, the sooner I can get to Clank.
Let's go to here.
Hello? It is now a crime
Okay.
to disagree with and/or stop me from doing anything. Unless that was already a crime, in which case, carry on.
Come on.
Oh. Clank? Clank? Alombax? What is this place?
Beautiful.
Where are you,
Okay.
Clank? Maybe someone around here has seen him.
Okay. I remember.
You seen a little gray robot anywhere? Green eyes, red antenna, very charming.
Okay, so I got my weapons. Oh, I got this now. Okay. The boots. Ratchet always had gadgets for days, y'all. It's crazy. Okay.
Please let there be good news behind here.
Welcome to the Nefarious City Bazaar. Please remember to thank our marvelous Emperor before, during, and after making your purchase.
Emperor? Does that mean there are two Nefariouses now? Clank first, Nefarious later. Maybe he's in this bazaar.
Perfect. Oh, this. Let me talk to her.
Wait a second.
You forgot your order? Well, come right in. Miss Zircon will sell you weapons, but you gotta be less conspicuous, or the resistance will not last.
The Resistance?
Why is the robot winking at me?
Dear sugar, Miss Zircon is still new to all of this espionage.
Release the hostage!
Clank! No. I need to go after that ship. How can I get off planet?
This a test. Only royal starships are allowed to leave. Anything else? Phantom can help. Just follow the beat to Club Nefarious and you will find him.
Club Nefarious, got it. Oh, and nice work, Secret Agent Zircon.
This is so exciting.
Okay, I got
What's
that.
Club Nefarious gonna sound like?
You want to bring the party to every find? Mr. Fun Guy is the weapon for you.
The only weapon who has destroyed little Zircon's enemies and performed at his last birthday party.
Oh, okay, beautiful. They always. This game always got those type of weapons where it's like a person that helps you. Okay, bro.
Great.
There's probably a disguise you could use to get through it. They just have like open world type.
That sounds like a club, all right. Gotta keep looking. The sooner I find Club Nefarious and this Phantom, the sooner I can get to Clank.
Let's go to here. Okay.